show is you running here, Wonka?
Those were the dance team members. They have much more showmanship and star power.
Oh yeah, I mean star power, it's really original. I've never heard about that before. I mean, your imagination, like, star power. Really, good job.
Yes. Well, onward. Continue the tour, everyone. To the invention room. Alright, we're all here in this other room that looks completely different than the last room that we were in. Different room, yes. The invention room. Now come on, everybody. Let's continue the tour.
Hey, do you think this is where they wrap the chocolate bars?
You're kidding me, right? He clearly just said it was the invention room. What are we going to do other than... It's called the invention room!
Pump your brakes on that, Charlie. Hey, I understand where your question came from, and I value you as a friend, and I think, at least, at heart, you're a beautiful person. Come here.
Aww. Dude, you guys, check out that sweet boat.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I have my voting license if it's something that I'm doing.
Me too, Miss Puff's boarding school. Yeah.
You know, you guys would really cramp my style if I didn't have so much of it. Hey, Grandpa, get over here.
We're gonna steal a boat.
No! 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 You guys are lazy! Can't be stealing boats! You gotta walk everywhere, uphill, in the snow, both ways, like me in Nam! Go!
You know what? I couldn't find the keys anyway, so it's okay.
Yeah, I mean, I guess I can't run in the
Stupid boat!
It's a rowboat. You don't need keys.
Just no lit! Just
Oh, yeah.
march! Like in Nam!
I need keys to operate the oars.
Left, right!
And so Charlie's warned of the factory for enough time for this transition to make sense.
Well, well, well. Look what the cat dragged in. Kitty Cronin here tells me that you wandered my factory unsupervised, scratched my boat, and made a mess of yourselves. Naughty little things.
Meow.
However, he also tells me that you pooped in the refrigerator and ate an entire wheel of cheese. So the fact of the matter is, I'm not mad. That's just depressing.
Meow.
Cool. Glad you're not mad at us.
Yeah, totes, bro.
It's reasonable.
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 Wait, what happened to everybody else, Wonka? What kind of game you running here?
What do you mean?
Like, we mean there was a bunch of other people here earlier. What'd you do?
Oh yes, well, Violet turned Violet, and Mike became a TV, and he tried to steal one of my Oompa Loompas. And no one takes my babies from me.
Well, I mean, that makes sense.
I love my children.
That's my guess.
Wait, I know the sound of that. It's Morning Willy Wonka!
That's right. You creepy stage hogs. Me and my boys are running this show now.
Finally, 1971, Willy Wonka's gone. I never liked him.
Okay, so here's the deal. You three boys have nothing to give. You live in a box. But Veruca here has offered to buy the factory and all of its glory from me.
Dude, is there anything we can do to win the factory?
Well, I'm always open to a dance off.
You really have no dance abilities, yeah. I mean, I only have some minor DDR skills. You may have heard about them.
You know what? I don't like her. She gets everything she wants, and it's not healthy for a child to get everything.
Yeah, she thinks you can just get everything in money. Guess what? You can't. You just can't.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I want the world! I want the whole world! I want you all!
No, I hate this. Oompa, damn her! Go!
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Okay. So it's on. My boys will win this. They
my god, thanks. Go big. Oh my. Go big, go big. Woo!
You got it, boys. I think he's
Well, it was really close and all great answers, but Charles.
What? Do you know how pride works? I just gave you 5 balls. You're supposed to be a Batman can be simple. Okay, well, only one of you can win. Only one of you, so only one was voted, and we'll discuss that backstage. Way to dance how we danced in Nam, boys. That's what's up.
And your 2011